In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can print a large image to multiple pages in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. So I have this image from here in my desktop. Now we can make a right click on it and then select open with, and let's go with Paint. Now if we can open Microsoft Paint first, it's also the same process or an easy process too. Then here we just need to click on File and click on Open, and then I save this in my desktop, so it's up to you as to where you have saved your photo. And I'm just going to click on this one and click on open. Okay, so once we have this one, click on the file tab again at the ribbon and click on print. Click on page setup. So you have here print, page setup, and print preview. Now let's go with page setup first, and this window will appear. Okay, so we have here for the size, it's up to you. Now let me go with A4. So it's up to you for your preference and your requirement. For the orientation, it could be portrait or landscape. It's up to you. For centering, you could have horizontal or vertical. Now let me go with horizontal. And you have here for fit to, simply change this to 4 by 2 pages. Okay, 4 by 2 pages, and click on OK. Now click on the file tab again. Click on print and click on print preview. And then you have here page 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for the file again, click on that, click on print, and click on this print option. Okay, and then just simply choose your printer from here, and then you have to print that. Okay, so and then click on the print option from here. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.